My name is Joerg Niessing and I'm a professor of marketing here at INSEAD, and I'm really passionate about bridging the academic and the business world on topics related to digital marketing, digital strategy, digital transformation and data analytics. Besides my academic career, I also spent over a decade in management consulting in various industries, and that's maybe also the reason why I focus a lot on executive education here at INSEAD. So I'm really interested in helping companies to think about how to leverage data and digital technology. I believe in an immersive teaching approach where I combine world-class examples with academic cases, because I think it really equips executives with the theoretical foundation and the frameworks they need, but it also helps them to really think about how can they help their organizations to transform. In my latest research, I realized that many companies actually have a product-centric approach when it comes to transformation, or a technology-centric approach instead of a customer-centric approach. So I really focus on how can companies be customer-centric when they transform. It's actually customer-centric transformation in my way of teaching, not digital transformation. My latest research for my book, The Definitive Guide to B2B Digital Transformation, I really summarize it into 3 shifts. In layman terms, it's about sell more, sell differently, and sell new. So how can companies leverage data and technology to sell more, to engage more effectively with customers, with prospects, with stakeholders? The second shift, sell differently, is about the experience makeover. So how can you create personalized, tailored customer experiences where you leverage technology and data? There's so many great examples in today's world, how companies use VR, AI, blockchain. Of course, these are all buzzwords, but in my teaching, I really look under the hood and what does it mean for organizations? How do they really execute? How do they really leverage these shifts to, at the end of the day, sell more, sell differently, and sell new? And the sell new is really about new business models, new propositions. Many companies really act on, I call it legacy business models, that are not relevant in the future anymore, and they have to think about what's the winning business model of the future? How do I literally leverage data and technology to move away from product-centric propositions? I really also say executives have to focus on 4 essential questions: where to play, how to win, what to do, and who to win with. And that brings me to another big point in my work, in my teaching, in my research, is really how do you enable digital transformation? How do you execute in today's world a powerful digital strategy? And for this, we created a framework, I call it the body, mind, soul. At the end of the day, companies need the right body, meaning the right processes, the right tools, the right governance, if you will, the hard facts, the data, when they transform. They need the right mindset. This is a big problem in many organizations. Culture, not having the right transformation culture, is one of the top barriers to successful transformation. And that's why the right mindset with the right skills, the right rewards, the right incentives is really important, the right training as well. And then soul, the last one, really, what is the culture in an organization? What are the behaviors? How do you run the company? That's another important pillar, if you will, when thinking about enabling transformation. Yeah, and for me, this is really an ongoing process. A transformation has no starting point, no end point. And it's not what many companies do. I call it the digital lipstick on a legacy pig, instead of really thinking about how can I create value in the long term for my customers so that I can create value for myself by leveraging data and technology in a really intelligent way.